Hi everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video, and I'm here again with a new table topic. So, give you just brief idea about that I changed how do I select the table topics now. Earlier I used to select the table topics by using a Python program that I have written. Now we are in the era of ChatGPT and Bard. So I will just go and just hit an enter in Bard and just select the table topic. Okay, so I just hit the prompt, give me cool table topic ideas. Okay, so I got it, and let me uh, let me pick and just uh, select. So the table topic for today is, if you could travel back in time, what year would you go to and why? If you could travel back in time, what year would you go to and why? If you could travel back. If you ask me to travel back in time, I would choose like many different parts of the history and go back and see. And so there are few reasons. If you ask me to pick only one, then I would pick a very ancient era. Uh, uh, that ancient era is maybe like I would like to go back around 1,000 years back and just see myself that how the humans have evolved till now. To me, it will be truly fascinating that how we have come so far. And many people have different things. The biggest, magic or biggest thing that happened on this earth, that what I see is humans flying. I find it very fascinating that the human could even fly because they were bounded by that. They cannot fly, they do not have wings, and now these days humans are flying in the sky. It is very interesting that if you go back in the history, the first when Wright brothers were planning to fly, at that time the most prominent newspaper at that time, the Washington Post, I think, if I remember correctly, they ran an article on the front page that the humans cannot fly, and they have so with the confidence that they have written this article, just after 9 months the first cargo flight had taken a flight. It's fascinating that how underestimate that we do humans. So that's coming back to the topic. If you ask me to pick uh, year, which year I would go back to, if you allow me to go back like 1,000 years back, I would definitely choose that. But if you ask me to pick in modern world, then I would like to take a flight in the early civilization, when lot of invention started happening. So that's the kind of time period I would go back and time and see. Thank you. Or